Hey guys, it's your boy Active Lex with another push-up workout. This is done in less than 5 minutes, 100 reps. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 30. 8, 40. Hey guys, 50 reps on the first set. I used to do 70 of these shits in high school. We got 5 more sets of 10, or we could break it up into 20s, 25, whatever. That's 50. But we want to keep the pump, keep the blood in the muscle, so we're gonna go right into it, no break. That's 50, right? And give you 10. 10, 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 60. Woo! Alright guys, I know you see what I see. I know you see what I see. The pump is real. Body weight, no excuses with this. This is all you, baby. I don't care how big you are, how small. You can do the modified ones as well on your knees, and you can bang them out as well. But just do something, try. That's 60, we got 40 more. We'll bang out 10s. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2. Go back. 70. Little man trying to get in the video. 3 more reps. 3 more sets. Let's get right into it. Let's go. 5, 6, 8, 9. That's 80. I love this shit. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is where I started. It was with push-ups. It's definitely something that I still get a good pump off of doing push-ups. I do hit the weights when I was able to go to the gym, but push-ups is what got me here. So you gotta stick with what you know. Sometimes the weights, I don't feel a pump, but with the push-ups, guaranteed, you're gonna feel that pump. You're chasing a pump when you're doing push-ups. Any kind of calisthenics workout, you're chasing a pump. 2 more sets, baby. All right, we got 10 more. 100 reps, guys, in less than 5 minutes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.